Hey everyone, this is Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today is my announcement for my September-October 2024 DoubleClick Connect Challenge. It is also the reminder of my Ghouls Dewdrop release. I did release them in a previous video. Every other month I post a theme and I show a project I made using that theme and showcase my new release of color dewdrops. This release is not actually available in my Etsy shop. You'll have to direct message me for a purchase. Because I have already released this Ghouls release several weeks ago, I only have 2 sets left of the Ghouls dewdrops. If you're interested, please send me a message via Instagram or send me an email. Like I said, I only have 2 left. They are right here, ready to go. They are $5 each, and I will not be re-releasing this set for this season. To enter my challenge, you do not have to use my dewdrops or mail in your project. Simply do a VR showing your project using the theme, tag me at DoubleClick Connect, and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. Leave a comment and please be a subscriber. The challenge will be open for the next 2 months and you may enter as often as you would like. The prize is a bag of dewdrops, and this is the prize for this month's release. I will draw a winner after the posting of my next challenge. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for the US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, please feel free to follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash, and you can search the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge to see what everyone else is creating. This is my current Ghouls dewdrop release. I only have 2 sets left. You can direct message me for purchase. It is $5 and I do ship for free. Now, last year I did release a Pasteloween. I do still have several sets of the Summer Vibes 2024. These will make great Pasteloween colors. For example, I created this using the pastel dewdrops. These are the Pasteloween colors, and the Summer Vibes 2024 will go great for your Pasteloween projects if you're choosing to create with Pasteloween this year. These are available in my Etsy shop. Feel free to direct message me if you would like to purchase these for your Pasteloween projects. It does save me on Etsy fees, and I do appreciate that so very much. If you are interested in a Pasteloween type dewdrop release, the Summer Vibe 2024, I do believe, yes, these are slightly glittered. They are so pretty, and they are perfect for that spooky, cute Pasteloween projects. For my Ghouls release, we have right here, these are the projects that I created. I used the black dewdrop right here in the corner, and it just adds that little extra touch to your projects. And I used my green right up here under the bat's wing. Those are my projects for this month's challenge. This challenge will run September 1st, 2024 through October 31st, 2024. The theme is Halloween or fall or the color orange. Please tag me at DoubleClick Connect and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. This is for the Ghouls release and the Summer Vibes Pasteloween. If you're interested in purchasing any of these dewdrops, please feel free to direct message me on Instagram or send me a message via email. I thank you guys so much for all of your support. I'm looking forward to seeing all the spooky, cute entries for this month's challenge. I thank you guys so much and have a great day. Bye, guys.